So I was recently exploring Webflow and thought a simple video might help who are growing in Webflow. The logo sliders, which are very fantastic way to showcase your clients, partners, or any brand logos in smooth and visual appealing way. And trust me, these are very easy to create and it looks way easier, smoother when you can finish it. So let's jump in. So basically, there is a wrapper div, which consists of six images. This is a grid item of six blocks. I mean six columns. We have wrapped it with another div so that so let me share the idea first. Idea is there will be the same element who will will continuously change their position, and this will be in a loop. For that, what we will do, um, so let's just copy this and paste. Also, one more important thing is main wrapper content. The x-axis should start from the left so that it covers the whole section. Let's select the first item we have copied, and in the page trigger, so we want to see the animation when the page loads. And the action will be start an animation, then the timed animation, let's name, you can name it, rename it anything you want. So I'm giving infinite logos. I think it's good. So it will just move from x-axis 0% to minus 100% because it's negative side. So I'm giving 100%. So you can choose any feasible speed you want or time you want. The less time you will give, the first it will move. So it's 10 second. And okay, importantly, we need to select the effect. I mean the element. I will give it a class name logo slider item. Why I'm choosing this um, class name? Because those two divs has the same class name, they share the same values. I will simply duplicate this keyframe animation so that it brings back to this to the first position. It's 0%, and it will move for 0.2 seconds. So let's save. If everything works fine, we are good to go. So let's check this interaction. Oh, importantly, you need to select loop right over here so that it continues the animation over and over and again. You can see the animation is nice and moving right now.